I just made another little modification here tonight. I removed the old toggle switch that I had. It was originally in this controlling receive and transmit. So now I just have literally a push button. A push button momentary switch right there. And just controlling this relay right here. So now I have the relay controlling the receive and the transmit of this transceiver. So instead of routing everything from the variable from all the boards to this here switch, which was mounted here, I've managed now to take all the coax cables and connect them to one side of the relay and there, and the power is on the top. This power and switch power to the relay, which controls power to either the transmitter over here. Actually, it controls the LM386 mic amp and transmitter, two of these boards together. Either turns two of these on, or it turns the receiver on right here. So I got a little bit of a rectangle board. I figured I'd might want to build another circuit or something, you never know. So I left a little space here and a little space here. So if I decide I want to build something, I can do it. But yeah, so that is done. And I am in the process of trying to build an external RF meter and modulation meter. I got the low pass filter mounted in here right now. But yeah, I was playing around last night with a circuit board here, but it's not working that well. I'm getting the needle here moves very little, so I'm gonna have to put in an op amp in here, or a transistor stage to amplify the signal coming off of this, coming off the diode right here, to drive the meter. So I'm using LM358. I use a 2N, couple 2N, 222s. So I don't know, but it's just like a whole computer case. But that's everything I've been working on. Not getting this was not working at all yet. So we'll just ignore this. Yeah, this part's just not up to snuff yet. Not even worth doing a video on, but I'm getting there. This is a work in progress. But this is the main thing I wanted to show tonight, was basically replacing the switch with the relay. So that's one of the things I was saying earlier, a couple of videos ago, that I want to do with this. And use a relay to control the switching of it. So I got that done. So everything inside of the case now should be complete. I can't remember anything else I had left to do with this. I don't know, maybe a couple of LEDs for receive and transmit. Put a green, put a green LED on the receive side, and put a red LED on the transmit side. I don't know. What do you think? Put a couple of LEDs in there, or you need to draw too much of my battery voltage? I'm also going to try to figure out something to do with this capacitor too, see if I can get more range out of it. That's the other thing I want to do. Anyway, it's just a little update on the 40 meter AM CW transceiver. Hey folks, thanks for watching, and I might work on this again tomorrow. Depends. I might have a day off work tomorrow. Depends. We'll see. If I do, we'll spend a bit of time working on this part, see if I get it working. But yeah. Anyway, here we have it, folks. I think the project came out very, very good myself, to be honest with you. I'm quite pleased with this, the way this came out. Anyway guys, stay on train, and catch you later.